I was in Manila last year for my birthday. My friends surprised me with a party at Jollibee, of course. It was so fun, and we just kept laughing from start to finish. We had of dancing, games, and more games. It was just all in the name of fun. And the Jollibee hosts, they were really, really good. So if you're looking for a place to have a party, go to Jollibee BGC because the crew there will make sure that you will all have fun during the party. This is how they all look while waiting for me to blow my candle. And this is us playing Pokemon and our family photo at the end of the day. It was so memorable, and I thought the happy memory is enough to spend my birthday quietly this year. I was wrong.
Oh, what's that?
What's what?
What's this gigantic thing? Oh, from QSR. Wow, it's a lot. And the Gilas family. Aww. Where do we start? What I know. Of course, must celebrate with Jollibee spaghetti and chicken joy. Wala nga lang burger.
Hi, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Who's this from? Our friends Marcos and Shirley sent us this baked goodies. I don't know what it's called, but it's from the Kyong Baru Bakery. It's one of the famous bakeries here, I think. So try natin. Actually, I tried the side earlier. Sarap. Marco said to try the round one first. It tastes like something Filipino. I don't remember. Parang otap. Diba? Hot.
Of course, my mom called, and while chatting with her, I did not notice Sweetie was tidying up our place for the evening service. The doorbell kept ringing the whole day. We had probably about more than 10 deliveries throughout the day.
It's not for me. It's yours. But apparently the box that just arrived is for me. Kala ko sa kanya kasi it's a box from Hasbro. So pag Hasbro, usually I think it's Transformers. Diba? Hey, what's this? I see a Yoda head. Dala naman tayo nito. It's Baby Yoda!
present.
Screens. Cute. Thank you, Titi.
You're welcome.
Oh, I need a new glass shelf. It's kind of weird. But he's so cute. Tignan mo yung eyes niya. Hi. Oh. Aw, it's from Myra. Thank you, Myra. Happy birthday to you. Akala ko pizza.
May video rin dito.
So that's how I celebrated my birthday. Thank you to all my family and friends who made my day very special.